Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, January 3rd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video to show you how LiveGood is exploding all over the internet. All right, it is literally revolutionizing the network marketing world, and it's the place to be in 2023. All right, you can see right here, these are all recent pre-enrollees. Okay, and this goes back to 1441. It's 3:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right now where I live. I live in Maine. And I'm going to refresh my page here, okay? So this is 10 people here going back to just about 14 minutes ago, okay? I'm going to refresh my page here and watch this. Here's 10 more people that literally just joined. And this is happening all day, every single day, folks. All right, this company is on fire. And there's many reasons why it's going to disrupt the network marketing world, which I'll get into in a minute. But the first thing is that it's only $49.95 to start your LiveGood business. Okay, you pay a one-time $40 affiliate fee, and that gives you your back office and all the websites that you're going to get in the marketing system. And then it's $9.95 a month. All right, so for your first month, it's $49.95. And every month thereafter, it's only $9.95 to be a member of this. We have no auto ship requirements, no product purchase requirements. You can literally sign up, pay your $9.95 monthly membership fee, and be an on-ranked member, okay? And you're going to earn, once your matrix is filled as an on-ranked member, you can earn up to $2,047.50, okay? Now, it might take 6 months, it might take a year, but eventually your matrix is going to fill. Okay, and I'm going to tell you why. Because right now, not many people know about LiveGood. All right, there's only a few thousand members who have joined this, and the owners are predicting that within the next couple years, there are going to be several million people who join this company. All right, so the quicker you get in and lock your position in, you're going to be put in the best possible position in the matrix at the time you join, and everyone thereafter is going to fall somewhere below you in the matrix. All right, so they might not directly fall under you right away. It might take a few months, but eventually you're going to see spillover that comes down into your matrix where you start earning income from that. All right, and this is monthly residual. So this would be something, if your matrix was filled as an on-ranked member, you would earn $2,047.50 every single month. Okay, now the best thing to do is join and then sign up a husband or a wife or one of your adult children or somebody that you know and rank up to bronze. All right, so bronze is when you have 2 people, 2 personal referrals. And what that does is it unlocks level 2. So not only are you going to earn 50% fast start commissions, you're going to earn 10% of everybody that your personal referrals bring in, which can be huge. All right, I have a marketer on our team right now who is absolutely crushing it. And I'm a bronze member, okay? So not only am I earning the 50% fast start on them, I'm earning 10% on everyone that they bring in, all right? So this can be life-changing income for a lot of people, all right? And then as a bronze in the matrix commission, you're going to open up the 13th level where you're going to earn another 2.5%, which doubles the amount of money you would earn as an on-ranked member. All right, so once your matrix fills at the bronze level, you're earning $4,095.50 a month. And that's not including the matching bonuses or the fast start commissions or any of the other ways that you can make money with this company. That's just simply in your matrix. Okay, so folks, this is the place to be. Our team is growing really fast. I have a team rotator that I will put your affiliate link in if you join under me. You simply just give me your link. I'll put it in the rotator. I've been driving traffic to that every single day to help people out. And I'll do that until you reach the rank of bronze. Okay? Because why wouldn't you want to be a bronze member and earn $4,095.50 once your matrix is filled? Okay? And again, I can't guarantee that you're going to earn any money with this. There's an earnings disclaimer down in the description box. But the way that this company is growing, you are going to see some spillover. All right, absolutely no doubt about it. And then in the matrix alone, if you do promote, which you should promote, and once you reach the diamond level, it's going to unlock 15 levels where you're earning $16,383.50 a month, not including the fast start commissions or the matching bonuses. All right, so if you'd like to learn more about this opportunity, you can click the link down in the description box. It'll take you over to my LiveGood page where it says welcome to Russ Fi's website. You can watch the 5-minute video here that goes into greater detail about the company and how the power line works and everything. And if it's something that resonates with you, you can put in your first name, your last name, and your email address. Click reserve my position now, and then you'll be a pre-enrollee, and you'll have until our next cutoff date, which is January 5th of this week. Okay, Thursday, January 5th, 2023. So let's just refresh this one more time. Okay, the last enrollee here was at 3:55. Watch this. Another 10 people. Okay, it's 4:02 p.m. right now. Somebody just signed up 8 seconds ago. So this is crazy, folks. I mean, I've never seen anything like this in all of my 16 years of marketing. When I say you're at the right place at the right time, you're at the right place at the right time. All right, so just hop on this. Don't even think about it. Just sign up, become a member, order some of the products if you're interested in those. I love all the products I've received. They're top-notch, high-quality ingredients. They're non-GMO, they're organic, they're vegan, they're keto-friendly, they're gluten-free, and they really work, okay? So anyway, I look forward to working with you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I greatly appreciate it, and it does help me out a lot. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I can't wait to see you in my next video, and until then, stay safe, be well, and peace be with you.